This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Good. Location, location, location. So many upgrades and renovations have been done and includes chef's kitchen with granite pot filler, instant hot water, hardwood floors, custom cabinetry, built-ins, Pella windows, gas logs, custom glass enclosure, all hardwood floors, primary bath renovated, all baths upgraded. Many custom architectural additions. In the last 30 days, the following items have been inspected, serviced and repairs made: HVAC 7 years, roof 9 years, all ductwork cleaned, dryer vent cleaned, gas logs cleaned, all plumbing inspected and new flappers for electrical improvements. Receipts available. Ewell Pest Control will provide clear letter. Flood insurance is $549 per year. April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Good 757-287-1943.